Hey everybody, Josh for Populi here, and this video will be most useful for you higher level Populi users who oversee the most sensitive aspects of your organization's Populi instance. As of this video's creation, account admin has only recently become a role, even though the account admin function has existed in Populi from the beginning. The change is that now adding and removing the role works the same way as other roles. Also, at the end of the video, we cover some important details about overseeing this role for your institution. We recommend at least gleaning what's at stake there. Let's look at managing that role on a profile. In order to manage that role, you'll have the account admin role active on your own profile. Navigate to a person's profile in Populi. This person will have to have an active user role in Populi for you to make them an account admin. If they've already been granted access to Populi, you'll see this active user drop-down over here. Then on the left-hand side of the profile, you'll see their roles listed if they have any. Click Edit Role, or if the profile has no existing roles, add roles. On the Choose drop-down, select Account Admin from the list, then click Add. Below, that role will automatically be set to active. Assuming that you don't need to add other roles to this profile, you can click Save. That role will be added over here on the left-hand side, and you'll notice that Populi automatically added the staff role as well. Account admin is one of those roles that can't be added and used without also adding the staff role. That's adding the role. Let's remove it. We'll choose Edit Roles. Then we have two options. If we uncheck the role here, we could inactivate the role, or we could click Delete over here, the trash can icon, and remove the role entirely. Both options pretty much do the same thing. They turn off the role for this profile, removing the related permissions. The only difference is that if you inactivate the role, you're easily able to see that this person used to have the account admin role. You keep a record of that person's past roles. If that's helpful, inactivate instead of deleting. We've mentioned the sensitive information to which account admins have access. Let's look at that. And we're gonna look at how we get there and overview the kinds of settings that exist there, but we're not gonna go fully in depth in this video. However, we'll link you to other resources that offer detail on those settings. If you're an account admin, when you click on your profile picture or initials up here, you'll have an option for account and settings. Everyone has access to their profile settings, but account refers to the global settings for your Populi instance. Click on account and settings, and you'll see these options up here for my settings and my messages, but we're looking at this section, account. Clicking on account settings, we land on general up here, but then you can see additional tabs that cover a lot of ground. Customization, security, appearance, lots of other stuff. Back to the left-hand side, you can manage more specific aspects of your instance. Backups, file storage, automations that Populi support has created, and at the bottom, your monthly Populi invoice and your payments to Populi. That's the basic navigation. A couple of general things. First, some pages here require you to save settings. So you'll change something on the page and then click Save Settings up here to lock that in. Don't forget that. Also, account admins serve a specific global function in Populi. You have to have an active account admin in order to use Populi. Otherwise, you might get stuck in a tricky spot. Because of that, consider a couple of things. You'll start out with at least one user set up as an account admin in Populi. That user can then grant the account admin role to other users in Populi. You're able to grant the account admin role to more than 2 users, but because this role has access to the most sensitive information in Populi, we recommend that you assign it to as few users as possible, only those who absolutely need it. And that brings us to something important. You should always have 2 account admins. Ideally, those users would be relatively active Populi users. When an account admin leaves your institution for any reason, one of the 2 account admins should grant that role to a new account admin. Then, one of these account admins can inactivate or remove the role from the former account admin. That will ensure that you always have someone at your institution who can administer the account. Keeping on top of this will prevent a lot of hassle down the road. If you were to somehow end up not having active users at your institution set up as account admins, there's a whole rigmarole that you have to go through to approve someone new. And many of the situations in which this problem comes to the fore are difficult and time sensitive. So, if you manage your account admins, you'll avoid headaches. I've been Josh. You've been great. Thanks for watching.